My name is Nadezhda Shevtsova. I work for Wimpelcom company. It's one of the biggest Russian mobile operators. We have one new product that is very interesting. It was launched by our company in April 2007. Its name is voice messaging. It's a new product on Russian market. This product let us to get additional revenue stream. We have achieved all our targets after voice messaging promo, and now we are happy with this product, and our customers find it as interesting, innovative, and simple. We have a very good practice in cooperation with Converse company to have some workshops during a year where we can discuss new ways how to develop our products, what can we propose to our customers. These workshops give us interesting ideas, new points of view of how we could be successful on the market. We are happy with the product voice messaging as it is. We of course are going to improve it, to make some changes, and Converse support us with all our new approaches.